Today, we're exploring 3 effective methods to reset your Vivo smartphone, ensuring you can restore it to its original settings, whether for troubleshooting or a fresh start. Let's dive in. Method 1. Resetting through the Settings app. 1. Access Settings. Launch the Settings app on your Vivo phone. 2. Navigate to System. Scroll and tap on System. 3. Reset Options. Select Reset Options. 4. Factory Reset. Choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. 5. Erase all data. Tap on Erase All Data to confirm. 6. Lock screen confirmation. Verify your choice by confirming your lock screen pattern, PIN, or password. Method 2. Resetting via recovery mode. 1. Power off. Turn off your device by holding down the power button. 2. Enter Fastboot. Press and hold both the power button and volume up button until the Vivo logo appears, then release to enter Fastboot mode. 3. Recovery mode. Use volume keys to highlight recovery mode. Press the power button to select it. 4. White data. Choose the white data option. 5. Confirm wipe. Select white data again and confirm your lock screen credentials if prompted. 6. Final wipe. Select white data to commence the reset. Method 3. Using Find My Device. 1. Access Find My Device. Go to the Find My Device website in a browser. 2. Google Sign In. Log in with your Google account linked to your Vivo phone. 3. Factory Reset. Select Factory Reset Device and follow the prompts to reset your device remotely. Each method serves a different scenario, from a direct reset through settings, using recovery options for a more thorough reset, to remotely erasing your data via Find My Device. Choose the one that best suits your needs.